Hi everyone, my name is Ersel. I am from the north region of Costa Rica, from the rainforest area. That's why it's raining a little bit, but also you can notice how green is everything here. Today I'm going to explore the forest that I have in front of my property in our farm, which is over here. Right there. I'm going to get into that forest. I get my telescope to take pictures and maybe videos about what we can see. I hope to have good luck as well because it's raining, but that's not a problem. Into the forest, that is not really a big deal. Came to the rainforest to look for a very small bird known as a white collar mannequin. This moment of my hike, I am listening branches moving, and I guess I'm watching monkeys. I love monkeys. Stay watching right in the middle. Look, this monkey is marking its territory. This is the white-faced monkey. Seems like it was very disappointed because I was here. It is very dense vegetation, and I have to be super careful wherever I step because look, it's a lot of dry leaves everywhere, and well, I don't know if there are snakes underneath or anything else that can be dangerous. You hear that? Brum, brum, brum. That's the bird we're looking for. The mission of these birds is to find a girlfriend, and what they have to show is like their best skills. They gotta flap their wings when they hit the wings with a surface part with each other. Da 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 da. And then sing in that way. Did you listen? And they have a specific area on the ground they clean so well. That's where they invite her to get a dancing moment, to be able to have a date. White collar mannequin, check.